Hi there, today we're preparing Greek-style grilled chicken served in a pitta with homemade tzatziki and salad. This is a very easy dish. The marinade is so easy. You can use skinless and boneless chicken thighs, but you can also get bone in and skin on, which I prefer to get because they're cheaper and they're quite easy to remove the skin. And basically the bone is in the centre. Make a couple of slices either side and use your knife and go underneath the bone and round. On both sides. Preparing the garlic, you just remove from the bowl, top and tail the clove, and remove the skin. And then once you've done all that, you're going to place into a garlic crusher and crush the garlic. Just take the edge off with the knife. First of all, I'm going to put into a bowl 250 ml of Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of paprika, and half a bowl of garlic, which I've already crushed, and the juice of 1 lemon. And I'm going to mix that with my chicken thighs that are already inside the bowl. Ideally, you want to marinate this overnight, but you can marinate it for about an hour. I've just removed the chicken from the refrigerator. It's been marinated for about an hour, and I'm going to be placing 2 of the thighs onto a small skewer, wooden skewer. These were bigger, but I've broken them in half because they're just too big. Done. Any excess yogurt and marinade you can put on top of the chicken. We don't like to let anything go to waste. The oven's reached temperature, so the chicken will take about an hour and a half to cook. You can check it out then. While our chicken's cooking in the oven, we're going to prepare our tzatziki. We're going to grab half a cucumber and we're going to grate it into a fine sieve. We do this into a sieve so we can drain off some of the excess water that we don't need for the sauce. The grated cucumber's been squeezed out to get rid of any excess water, and we can now add other ingredients to make up the tzatziki dip. So 1.5 cups of the Greek natural yogurt, white wine vinegar, about a tablespoon, olive oil, about a tablespoon, extra virgin olive oil, and some salt, about a teaspoon. And finish off with the lovely garlic which we prepared earlier. So we'll mix this all together really well. prepared, we put in a bowl and refrigerate. The last thing I'm going to prepare is the salad. I'm going to use a bit of the cucumber I've got left for the tzatziki. Red onion, which I've peeled. And a couple of vine tomatoes, which are a lot more flavoursome than your regular tomatoes. Just cut these into wedges. Now I've got some dried oregano which I'm going to put on it, but you can use fresh if you prefer that. So I'm going to mix that well. Add some olive oil. And some salt and pepper. Don't be scared to use your hands as long as they're clean. And that's it, I'm going to refrigerate that until dinner's ready. I did actually forget the oregano, so I'm going to put that on now. It's got a very distinctive flavour, very delicious. That's it, and that's the salad. I'll put it in the fridge now. The chicken's ready and out the oven. We're going to prepare the pita breads. They've been toasted. We're just going to slice those. Got a few hungry people here, been working all day, over in the distance. So the pitas, you just need to make an incision around the edge at the top, and then you open up like a pocket. The chicken's in quite big chunks anyway, so we're only going to cut them in half. Place some salad on the side. Some chicken and some tzatziki on top. Cover mixing up. And there you have it, grilled Greek style chicken with tzatziki and your salad.